If you accept divergent views from other Zimbabweans, why did you remove a scarf of another participant on a television platform who was airing his own views and his political party's views?
Okay. I say I mean, time maturity normally depends on time. When I was starting politics, I was so angry. Let me say with ZANU-PF, to the point that I was even while I was ready for a physical fight. I was ready for fight. Even if I had guns, I would want even war with the ZANU-PF people. Anyone, you know, I can call it radicalization. When you think your ideas matter, everyone else is struggling, is a fool, or is evil. Sometimes you can be so self-centered to the point that you forget that the world has got people who can also, and we are interdependent. So to me, ZANU-PF were enemies, and every problem, every pain was ZANU-PF, and I wanted them to go or to die or anything. So I mean, you reach a point that you sit down and say, let's say ZANU-PF are going to be out of power in 20 years. Does that mean this 20 years before they're out of power, everything in Zimbabwe must go bad? What if I'm going to die before ZANU-PF is out of power? What is my purpose as a Zimbabwean? I realize that my purpose as a citizen of Zimbabwe, change in Zimbabwe is going to start with myself. I must change my mindset. Zimbabwe is suffering because of mindsets. Our problem is not lack of resources, is not lack of intelligence or wisdom. Our problem is the mindset. We think of ourselves and we judge one another harshly, So I realized that no, I need to start to be tolerant of everyone. Who is not Tinashe, even my mother, my sister, my brother. I need to be someone who add value in my family, because a nation is built by individuals, secondly by family, and then in villages or communities. So I should change I should remove the hate in me, and because ZANU-PF people are a mirror of the society. These are people who are coming from my village. These are people coming from my district, my province, my country. They are not coming from the moon and then they become ZANU-PF. And someone who is ZANU-PF today, tomorrow can wake up being a member of my party. Someone who I love in my party today, tomorrow can leave my party and join ZANU-PF. So the ZANU-PF to me is now it's a logo. It's not a party. It's a logo. Members they are in motion. They can move. They can change base. ZANU-PF, MDC, ZANU-PF. So you can't then say you hate people in ZANU-PF, because what if I hate them now and tomorrow 10% of them come to join my party? Am I going to refuse them to join my party because I hate them? So I realized that national interest means we need to be united. If we want a good country, regardless of who is a president, in our country, a president is a famous person. Why?
Okay.
Because we believe that everything starts with the president and ends with the president. Yet we need participative democracy. Every Zimbabwean have got a part to play.